This looks like a fruit.
How am I supposed to eat this? Do you see this? This isn't even. This does not look edible.
Here's this one. This is a. The ingredient is 100% Montauk durian. Durian? That's the only thing in English.
I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all this.
Yes, you are.
Looks like it's some kind of fruit.
Okay, so this is a prune.
If anything has juices inside of it, I'm gonna throw it.
This is cuttlefish.
Got it.
And then we got this one that CAZE just showed. It looks like there's dragons in it. Some kind of pepper, or both, or neither.
Probably both.
Then we got. Oh, this looks good. This is sesame fish from Thailand.
What do you mean, dude?
This comes with the toothpick.
This looks like.
It comes with the toothpick.
Oh, these don't look bad. This is preserved sweet prune.
Ew.
I feel like this one did it.
Mmm.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Then we got
Is this dried?
Yuck.
curry beef cubes. So this meat is basically cubed.
Give me it.
Well, we gotta show it.
I am.
Okay. Then we got. Oh, this is
Is this gonna be hot?
This I think is marinated oyster meat.
I just try to smell it. What's up? I'm CAZE Updike, and I have a new t-shirt out. It's called My Hand on Your Heart. Tell me what you think.
Put CAZE's hand on your heart. Available only at CAZEapparel.com. Is there time left?
So what do you guys want to try first? Should we...
Nothing!
Hair sounds good.
Let's get the worst ones over with.
Okay,
Whatever looks
let's-
the worst.
let's
This
say-
one.
let's say the fruit.
I feel like this will be not bad.
These are fruits.
I think
Prunes
these
and
are the worst.
some
I
kind of
think-
weird.
Yeah, I think these two are probably in the nest.
Everybody ready?
No.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Put it in your mouth. Where'd it go? Let me open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me see.
It's not even bad.
Okay. As long as you don't breathe, you're okay.
It's not. I like it. It's like shrimp.
I like it, he says. I like it, he says.
It tastes like shrimp.
It tastes,
my God.
It tastes just like shrimp to me. I almost
Have another piece.
Bet.
bet. Manchester.
I want you to lick it though.
What the?
Lick it.
Lick it.
Okay, what do I need to take it?
There you go.
Dude, that's disgusting.
Lick it.
Dude, it's still in my mouth.
Oh my God. Hey, that's okay.
There you
well,
go.
See,
All right.
You're weird.
Okay, so that was the first one.
You need to get yourself
Oh my God.
This is smoked oyster, and this is what we're gonna try next. The last one wasn't bad. It was just like eating shrimp.
It was
So-
terrible.
But now we're gonna try something even scarier. Oh.
No.
Smell it.
No.
Nope. Hey.
No, I'm not doing this. CAZE, I'm not doing that.
You know, it smells like beef jerky.
Bet. Bet on taste. Looks like crap.
No.
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 There we go.
No.
Only you. You and only.
Marinated smoked oyster.
No.
Come on, CAZE. Smells like beef jerky. It actually smell it. Or maybe it smells like dog food.
I'd say more dog food.
Okay, so we each get one.
Nope.
No.
And you know, it looks like a baby heart.
I'm sorry to whoever
It
gave
looks
us
like
this.
wings.
I'm sorry to whoever gave us this, but I refuse to eat this.
Come on. It's just one.
It's just, it looks like something that came out of a dog's butt and they tried to make it edible.
Everybody get one. Come on.
No, dude.
Come
I'm
on.
Not, I'm not eating it.
This is all.
You
Well,
gonna try
wait.
one?
Matt, you gotta eat it since I'm not.
Come on, this is your first time.
Matt, you wanted to be on the show.
Yeah, you gotta eat
I'm
one.
gonna get this small one.
No.
I told
What?
you how
You get one
bad
just
it
like me. Just
That
think
is
of fear. Just
big.
think of Fear Factor. That show that.
is. Is there like what? Deniko, get in.
Wanna try one?
I'm in the show. No, guys.
What is?
Okay, ready?
What is that?
Everything's fine.
I hate my leg.
No poop.
Ready?
Wait, where do I spit it out when it's disgusting?
If you freak out, there's a trash can behind you. There's a trash can. Okay, ready?
It's your channel. You better get one too. I'm not doing
Okay, we're gonna eat it and we gotta describe what it tastes like, and we can't just say poop.
Put it in the chewing hole.
Ready?
It's probably gonna taste good,
3,
Matt.
2, 1. Oh, it's slimy. God, it's so slimy.
Ah! Ah! Look at him, dude. Matt, please throw up, dude.
I almost threw up. I almost threw up.
You sound disgusting.
Spit it out.
Oh, that was gross.
Bro,
Ugh.
this is what it looks like. This is dog food.
No difference.
Don't touch me, dude.
Oh my god, dude, you can't sit in my car anymore.
You stink. Who eats this stuff? What the heck?
Is it?
Bro,
Oh wait, it smells like teriyaki.
Then eat some.
I will.
Bro, I'm so mad right
Say, it smells like
Oh.
it's been jerky. You know,
Exactly.
that beef jerky style stuff.
Guarantee it don't taste like that.
I wonder if those are bones in it.
Okay. Well,
Oh yeah. There you go. There's a fish.
it honestly doesn't look that bad.
now. Yes, it does.
It looks like this is. What
Okay, you guys ready?
No.
No.
Well.
Oh.
Come on. How big of a piece? Come on, really?
Yeah, you're the. Look, we
big.
these are our portions for our sizes. You take the big piece because you're a big guy.
Okay.
I'm the smallest. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Not terrible, I guess.
It tastes like teriyaki. It's not that bad.
I like the beef jerky texture.
I wouldn't eat.
Yep.
I wouldn't eat it for breakfast.
Oh,
lunch,
it's
and dinner.
spicy.
Yep. Definitely like a little spicy beef jerky.
Oh. Oh.
Dry, but you can taste the seasoning of it.
Oh.
Let's eat the dragon. Okay, you guys ready?
No.
There we go.
Sorry, I was just crying over there.
Ooh.
Over, dude.
Why do you make it sound? Wow, double packaging. It must be special.
That literally looks like sandpaper, like sand.
Here. Yeah, this is insulation
Yeah, we're eating
to the wall.
straight insulation.
Itchy.
Where's my Rambo knife?
What was that? What is this? Oh my god. Can somebody just send us good food? Like, I don't.
Send us cake.
Look at this.
Send us some flame.
Why is it? It looks like fur.
Oh, it's just powder.
No.
Dude, I hate 3, 2, 1.
Cotton candy? Has that bite like it's cotton candy?
It reminds me of like. That is the weirdest thing I've ever tasted.
If this was in a store, I would buy it.
You're gay.
Dude.
It's not that bad. But it's like cotton candy. It has that texture like cotton candy almost.
It's not. It's not that good.
No, it's not that good at all. But oh, come on.
It's still
Kind of reminds me of like beef jerky chew.
God, I don't like it.
It's still kind of.
I don't like any of these foods.
Bro, they're not even that bad.
You know, like
I don't like them though.
it's just like I said in the Shanghai snacks. This is stuff. This is why this kind of stuff is not in the U.S. People will not eat this. But it dissolves in the mouth. It's like cotton candy almost.
What is that?
This doesn't look.
That is.
This looks like bugs.
That is seasoned, like sesame fish, sesame seeded fish or whatever. Seeded.
I don't know. what
Thailand
you're
sesame
saying.
sticks. Thailand.
Let's open it up.
Dude, why would you pour it all?
Looks like a baby chicken leg.
I can't do this.
Why does mine have a face?
Oh,
I'm not eating that.
I can't do. You already missed out on one.
you could try one of these. All it is seasoned little.
No, the smell already got me.
There's
Smell
not
like
even.
it.
There ain't no smell to it.
Smell the bag.
No. You guys ready? Let's go. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Come on.
Give it.
It's not bad.
It's not.
It's
This
like-
is really good.
There's like no taste.
It has a hint of dead fish.
Why is it?
my
Why is it spicy?
Probably to hide the nasty flavor of the fish.
The Reaper was good enough. That's.
Oh, blah.
Thanks, Matt and Deniko.
I don't think I can be
For-
friends with you after this.
for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Sorry if this ruined any friendships between us, but
Thank you guys.
that's
My gas money.
Good job.
sorry. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of us eating some stupid stuff, we're not going to, so that's too bad. But leave some video ideas in the description, and like and subscribe for more.
I still got stuff stuck in my teeth.
A lot.
Yeah, me too.
A combination of all of them
hey.
is just
Scuttlefish.
a lot of disgusting.
It's cuttlefish, you idiots.
Is it? I thought
Yeah.
it was scuttlefish.
No, you're
Video, I
stupid.
hate you more and more.
Listen, that's what
This wasn't
happens.
worth
You
the
know what I'm
pepper.
saying?
Subscribe to Savage Tartt. Link will be in the description.
And that's a wrap.
Yeah, Father verse son, let the games begin. Reviews, giveaways, and challenges. New videos coming at you every week. Laughing and smiling cheek to cheek. Father verse son, let the games begin. Reviews, giveaways, and challenges. New videos coming at you every week. Laughing and smiling cheek to cheek. Father son challenges, what'll happen next? Stay up to date, subscribing is the best. Like, comment, let's connect today. Son knows best with Tyson and CAZE.